Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're back again on Tesla Tuesday, it feels like, because of the fact that Teslas do not put any shade over the top. If you're cooking like your mom's gumbo, you can put some tint over that bad boy. Keep it cooler inside the car with a lifetime warranty. You got peace of mind for the future and guaranteed perfection install. A little hidden secret about the ceramic window tint. When it comes to Tesla vehicles, after you have everything ceramic tinted, it'll keep the car cooler inside, that way pulling less energy from your battery, letting get a little bit of extra juice out of that bad boy. It may not be a lot, but when you're in the desert and you need to find some water and you're a couple miles away, do you want to walk it or do you want to ride the rest of the way in a cool, comfortable car? You know what you want to do. You know who to call. As you can see, this thing is darker than my coffee in the morning. Black. But it's cool, unlike the coffee, which is hot. As you can see, we're finishing up this vehicle now. No more fishbowl action with this bad boy. We got nice premium tint all around. Keep it nice and cool inside your vehicle 24/7, 7 days a week, even on Sunday. Tell your friends. We got some sweet Mustang action going on right this second. As you can see, we're applying some vinyl stripes over the entire vehicle. Stripes are a little bit harder to put on than you anticipate. If you put it down wrong the first time, you don't really get a second shot. You want to have it professionally installed so that way it's a seamless finish. Looks like it came from the manufacturer and gives that car a little extra horsepower on the road with them racing stripes, you know? You wouldn't know it yet, but some stripes are gonna be on this bad boy in a few hours here. We're gonna do the stripes first, and then we're gonna ceramic coat over the entire vehicle so even the stripes are slippery and get that thing shining like your dog's nuts. The difference between us and a lot of other shops is emblems. A lot of places will tell you you need to buy new emblems because they're gonna remove them and reinstall. We professionally take them off here, put it on the vehicle to save the client the money, and it gives a better finish for the whole car. You don't have to cut around it with the decals or emblems. You can just have it done the proper way the first go around and have it laid over top like it came brand new from the manufacturer. We're over on the coating side now, so you can check out the ones that we're getting started. We're doing the paint correction for this next, and this is getting our Ultimate Ion package. It is a full detail inside and out, as well as a 2-step paint correction, about 8 hours of buffing and polishing around the entire vehicle, going panel by panel. After which, we're gonna put the base coat on, let it cure overnight, put the top coat on. It also includes a wheels off coating. They're gonna remove the wheels with the insides of the barrels and your brake calipers to help out with the brake dust. Finish out the detail and it's ready for the customer. As you can see, I got the Lean Mean Green machine next to me, and we're doing a hood repaint repair for it. The gentleman actually brought the car pre-owned, didn't realize that this hood was currently filled with Bondo and things of that nature. He's having some problems with it. He ended up getting a new hood. We're finishing everything off for it now, about to paint it, put it on the vehicle, get it back on the road. That's it for What's in the Shop Wednesday this week. This will be my favorite car. Even though it's missing the hood, it still looks good. Please follow us next week. Like, comment, subscribe, and come check us out in person.